Lauren, can you say mommy?
Oh.
Yes, you can. Say mommy. I'm going to turn it off if you don't talk loud. Say it loud and then we can watch it. Say mommy.
Mommy.
Say mine.
Mine.
Say Say mo.
Ho.
No. Say 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 mommy.
Mom.
Say mine.
Mine.
Say Say oh.
Oh.
Say mo.
Ho.
Say Dylan. Ryan, say mo.
Mo.
Say mo.
Mo.
Lauren, say mo.
No.
Okay, one time say hi mo.
Hi ho.
Lauren. Okay, look right up here one time, then we'll stop. Look, say oh.
Oh.
Mo.
Ho.
Alright, say bye mo.
Tie.
Say bye mo.
Tie. Say bye.
Dylan,
Mo.
say bye mo. I mean Ryan, say bye mo.
Bye, Papa. I
Say bye mo.
Bye, Mo.
Say bye mo.
Not bye,
Yes, do it. No, Ryan.
No.
Alright, just say bye
Tie.
mo.
Ho.